Page 64. 1. Listen and check the clothes words you hear.
What are you going to wear to the school disco on Friday?
I don't know. I might wear jeans and a t-shirt, or I might wear a shirt. What about you?
I can't decide.
That looks okay, Dan.
Yeah, but I think it may look better with a jacket.
Yeah, but it isn't cold. I might not wear a jacket.
Come on, hurry up. You both look great.
Yeah, I feel like a rock star.
Yes, and you look like one. Let's go inside.
You may want to put your jacket over there. Nice shirt, Dan.
Thanks, Mr. Parker.
Well, Dan, you might feel like a rock star, but you look like a teacher.
Since you're so interested in clothes and fashion, Dan, maybe we should write something on it for the zine.